Today is the day number 4, and today I am not going to cover a topic related to English grammar. Today just because my intention is you people be good at the spoken, means you will be able to express your thoughts in English language like other people share their thoughts, and when they we get the chance to listen the people, and if they start speaking the English, they become a brainstorm for us. Oh, why they are speaking, why I am not able to speak, and so many things start coming in our mind that there is something which is I am lacking, like there is the there was something mistake in the my education, there is something terrible things with my background, with my family. So many things start coming in my mind. Why not I am the people like them? So that is the my intention, and that's why I wanted to let you know that in which way you will speak English, because the situations which I have faced, definitely that are the very painful, and that's why I wanted to share with you, means in which way I get over the all type of the situation. So in the spoken there is a very important 4 parts, and we all have to work upon them, and in these all 4 parts there is the also ratio, and I have already shared in this slides in which way they all make their play their role in the English spoken. What is the each and every part its own weightage, so that your vision will be so much clear, means in which parts I have to focus more than. Okay, so let's dive into the learning part. So let's see, here is the RWLS. What is it is reading, writing, listening or speaking things. R for reading, W for writing, L for like listening, and S for like speaking things. Our entire goal is to speak English. It does not matter in which way I am speaking, in which topic I have to give my presentation, in which topic I am going to make the debate. It does not matter. Our intention is to speak English correctly, so that people will understand me in the very simple way. That's why our intention is to speak English only. So I have taken it 100%. Here each and every part of the English language, English spoken, related to English spoken has been covered, like reading, writing, listening or speaking. That's why I have taken it by 100%. Sure people, means anyhow I have to complete this 100% part, means until I have to be able to speak, then I will be able to share my thoughts in the English language. This is my intention. Okay, now see, so that here I have divided it into the 2 part. Okay, this is the 2 part. Definitely I am going to let you know more about it. First one is like RW, and second one is like LS. RW means writing, W means writing, or R means reading. That is the consist 20% only. If you want to improve your English, and on the daily basis only you are reading the text a lot, just you are writing the journal per journal and journal, these things are just going to help by 20%. Okay, and if you are apart from this, if you are doing the part something like listening or speaking, then it is going to help by 80%. Here are the things that we all have to know, and this is the whatever strategy we all are using to get our spoken on the next level. We don't focus these things. That's why we have to struggle so many painful journey. If once time you get the clear vision about these all things, then definitely it will be easy. It will be a cup of tea for you, a piece of cake. Definitely you will be able to speak. So you don't have to focus more on the reading or writing. And I was remembering that 4 months ago there was a situations like I was reading so many books, and also I used to write so many journals. I have written so many copies, but in the later I realized that this part is not going to help me a lot, and this is the exact things I want to share with you people. Okay, so you have to focus on the listening or speaking. See next, what is the weightage of the reading and writing? See next, like reading. R for reading. Reading only is going to help you by the 5% in the term of spoken. Now I think this is the very clear. If you are reading all the things, then definitely it is going to help to gain your knowledge on the next level, but it is going to help in the spoken part only by 5%. I think this is clear for you. And next, writing. Writing is going to help by 15%. So there will be a chance, and the people will ask that really I want to speak English and I have the two choice. Let me know which is the better for me. And first is saying like is reading better or is writing better. Now definitely there is the two choice. Then you have to suggest them that go with the writing, because let's say when we write something where you have to think in our mind, then this all idea we try to write on the book, on the text, in the text form, so that it is going to help in the spoken part by the 15%. That is the not too much. Okay, next one is like, see, okay, listening or speaking. If you are listening the things on the daily basis, then it is going to help by the 30%. 30% of the spoken part will be clear. Something like the pronunciation, you will get something new word on the daily basis, and definitely your pronunciation will be on the next level. But if you are speaking, then it is going to help by the 50%, and this is the main thing that you have to know. If you are not doing anything like listening, writing or reading, or you are speaking on the daily basis, this is going to help you by the 50%. This is the major thing which you have to know, people. And definitely if you are trying to speak on the daily basis without letting mind on the making mistake, we all know that as a beginner it is a must that there should be a mistake, because here is the quotation like, each and every man is the perfectly imperfect. What? Each and every man is the perfectly imperfect. There is no one who is the perfectly perfect. They all are the perfectly imperfect. So that you have to accept the things. And if you getting the chance for the LRWLS, then try to focus more on the speaking part, because it's going to help you by the 50%. This is the mind-blowing thing. So, and second, you have to listen more. What? First, try to speak whatever thoughts coming in your mind. It might be related to anything. It does not matter. It might be in the beginning level. It will be in the broken part. Something like that will be no in the right way of the structures. There will be no word are the according to the situation. There will be no verbs according to the subject. There will be no correct subject according to the verb or according to the words object. It does not matter. Just you have to speak. Only you have to keep the things in your mind that I am speaking. This is the major part, because it is going to help by the 50%. And second, you have to listen the things. If you get the chance, then try to listen more. But it is the second part. First, you have to try to speak. As much as you will speak, then definitely your spoken level will be on the next level. Okay. And the third, if you get the chance, then try to write the things. And the fourth and the last, try to read the things. So these all are the four tremendous things which is going to help you in the spoken, in the journey of spoken, to getting ahead in your level. Okay, I think that all things will be very clear, and I think it will giving you a clear insight, means in which way really I act to increase my spoken, to improve my spoken, to be better at the speaking part. So thank you very much. I am going to end this session, and definitely I will be here with the very beautiful topic. So thank you very much. Having a phenomenal day. Enjoy the life. Just spread the love and get the love. Thank you very much.